Welcome to MailSuite Portal. In this short tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create and run a professional email campaign, from building lists to tracking results. First, log in to your MailSuite account. Once logged in, you'll see your main dashboard. From here, go to Newsletter. This is where all your email campaigns are managed. Now, click on Lists. You'll see 2 existing lists already created. Let's create a new list with the name Email Listing. Next, select the list type. It's up to you whether you want to keep it private or public. Once done, click Save. Now, let's add a subscriber. You can add a subscriber either from the top menu or directly from the dashboard under All Subscribers. Here, you can see that one email ID is already saved in our email listing. Click on Add New to add a new email address. After entering the email, click Next. Now, fill in the subscriber details, such as first name, last name, gender, status, and select Test Subscriber if needed. Once done, click Save. Next, go to Lists and select the campaign list where you want to add this email. Click Save again, and you'll see that the new email has been successfully added to your selected list. If you want to add email addresses from an Excel or any other file format, click on Import. Choose your file format. I have an Excel file. I'll select Excel. Upload your file and click Next. The system will now ask for a few details. How your email IDs are separated in the file, by semicolons or commas, is completely up to you. Here you can see all the email IDs listed. After that, update your settings and select Import button. You can choose whether the subscribers are confirmed or not confirmed. Now click on List. Select the list where you want to import these contacts, and then click Import. You can now see the import file results. After uploading the file, go back to the subscribers section. Here you can see that earlier we had only 2 email IDs, but after importing the Excel file, the new email IDs from that file are now also visible in the list. Next, let's design our email template. Click on Newsletter. Here you'll see some pre-designed templates. Or create your own customized template from scratch. We'll select the blank template now. Start designing your email. You'll see all the design options available here. Simply drag and drop elements to create your layout easily. For example, I'll drag the header block and drop it onto the template. You can see the header is added. If you want to change the logo or motto, just click on the company info panel on the right side. From there, you can easily update your company logo, title, motto, and any additional details you want. You can even add your social media links. Once done, click Save and your header updated instantly. In the same way, you can keep adding more sections through drag and drop options. Click on Apply Changes You Template instantly updated. After completing the email template, click Next. Add some details such as which list you want to send it to, and filters like gender or status and other details, then click on Save button. Now you can schedule your campaign, choose any date and time, and the campaign will automatically run according to your selected schedule. If you click Send Now, the campaign will start immediately. Once sending is complete, open the Statistics section to check the full results, including the total number of sent emails, open rate, and click rate. Everything you need is available in one place, your MailSuite portal, full control over your campaigns.